Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. For this week's Project Life video, I will be doing August part 1, and as you can see, the monthly page I am working on right now is mostly digital. I printed out a quote card, I made a 4x6 card with some digital stamps, and I also made a 3x4 card, and I'm stacking a bunch of digital chipboard on that 3x4 card. Also going to use a few puffy stickers, puffy heart stickers, and then I'm going to use some word phrase stickers that I have sitting off to the right, and then I will be done with this page. It's really super quick and simple, and I'm just stacking the digital chipboard, adding in the heart, and then 2 word stickers. I'm also going to add 2 stickers to that cute photo of my son, and then I'm going to pull everything off and flip the page protector and then get started on August part 1. So for this one, I started out with all these photos, and I knew I wanted to use the August stories by the month, so I kind of played around before I started the camera, and I think I'm going to go with green and orange and a little bit of blue, and then I can go from there. So for this little card of my kids, I'm just putting a chipboard that says simply savoring and then another word phrase sticker. That one is done. I also saw on the most recent Stories by the Month stamp, there was a little stamp that said stories and then makes my soul happy. So I'm going to use that as a prompt for the 2 shorter cards. There's this one of my husband at the pool with the kids, and then also my kids playing Legos. Normally when I do Project Life spreads, I don't do horizontal photos that are different sizes, but when I went to go crop the photo of my kids, it had to be a little bit longer than the square photo of my husband and kids. So that's fine. I am stamping the 2, the phrase stamp in 2 different colors, and then I'm going to fussy cut them out and then add them to the cards, and then I will journal below it about what the story is for each of those. We decided to go to the pool as a family, finally got a chance to go as a family, and so we spent all afternoon at the pool, and the kids got to have some treats, which they love doing, and I only hope that this summer maybe our community pool will be open again. For this one, the kids were playing Legos, which is an old favorite of theirs, and it was just keeping them occupied, which is always a great thing if they can do that and do it together. So for this photo of myself on that word phrase sticker, I saw me and wild and free. So that was perfect. So I stacked those, moved on to the 4x6 card. I have a chipboard that I added, and then I remembered that I have these fun bright stickers from the Stories by the Month kit. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the gray sticker and put on one of those brightly colored stickers. So I took one of the chipboards for August and put it right above the palm tree, which I thought was kind of cool. It makes it look like the palm tree is now just a triangle pointing down, which is great. Moving on to the 4x6 card, the Stories by the Month stamp also had this oval label stamp, I guess, and so I decided to stamp out 3 of them to layer on the August card. And I am just going to go ahead and just write a little bit about overall what was going on for the first part of the month. So we were ending the summer, and we had just a couple weeks left before school, and we were doing lots of last hurrah summer adventures and just those type of things. And also soccer season had started, so we were all excited for that. So I'm going to layer those on, and then I'm going to add in some of those brightly colored stickers, some gray stickers, and then I'm going to decide that my final embellishment is going to be a cork star that I dig out of my stash. So this card was really a multi-layered, fun little card to make, and I absolutely love how it came together. So it's super fun, and it's a great way to start off this August part 1. So that is finished, and so that means that the left side of this page is finished, and now I can move on to the right side of the page. We went school shopping, so for that one I just added a chipboard, and then I'm going to move on. I have another one of those brightly colored stickers, the blue one. Couldn't decide where I wanted it because I knew I wanted a sticker on the sprinkler photo, but I didn't want two brightly colored stickers right next to each other. Okay, so I have two main journaling cards, and I decide that since the green one says real life, I am going to go ahead and do more stories about real life on the green card, and the orange one is going to be more focused on our last summer adventures. I also have the iPad sitting off to the left, so that way I can use Google Photos to bring up August 2019 and kind of jog my memory on what I want to write down as far as, you know, everyday life and also our last summer adventures. So those cards are done, and now I'm going to bring the pages back together and make sure that I like the look of it overall. Gonna add some stickers to the photo of me sitting on the front lawn, and then I'm gonna add a few cork stars, and then I will be done with this spread. And I love how colorful and fun it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing another Project Life spread come together. And I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!